Welcome to Edmonton, a city rich with opportunities for homeowners to transform their properties into thriving short-term rentals. Whether you're looking to boost your income or simply want to make use of an empty space, short-term rentals could be the golden opportunity you've been searching for. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to turn your property into a profitable venture, helping you navigate everything from the basics to becoming an exceptional host. First things first, let's talk about what it means to list your property for short-term rental. Whether it's your entire home or just a room, knowing your options helps tailor your approach to suit your lifestyle and financial goals. But it's not just about listing your property, it's about creating memorable experiences. That starts with understanding the local regulations in Edmonton. All hosts need a business license, ensuring your venture is not only profitable but also compliant. Applying for a business license is straightforward. You can apply online or via mail. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. To gain a better understanding of the entire business license application process, we should visit the City of Edmonton's website at edmonton.ca. Once on the website, navigate to the search bar and enter short-term rentals. From the search results, select the first listing to proceed. On the short-term rentals page, scroll down to the section titled Application Process. Here, you will find the option to apply online along with the necessary requirements for the application. The first requirement is payment for the license fee. Next, you will need a completed operational plan. Here is a look at what the document entails. If you are hosting and renting out more than 2 sleeping units from your residence, a development permit will be necessary. Additionally, a building permit is required if modifications to the physical floor plan of the property are needed to accommodate short-term rentals. Lastly, you must provide a copy of information for guests, which hosts are obligated to supply to their renters. Below is a flowchart visualizing the business license application process. As you can see, being a great host is about more than just handing over keys. It's about ensuring your guests feel at home. From safety measures like smoke detectors and clear emergency exits to little touches that make a stay special, every detail counts. And remember, a happy guest is a returning guest. That's why at Prowess Property we support you with tips on how to be the best host you can be, from effective communication to setting up house rules. Ready to turn your property into a successful short-term rental? Visit our website or contact us directly to start your journey with Prowess Property. We're here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your short-term rental journey is as smooth and profitable as possible. Explore more by visiting prowessproperty.ca. Let's unlock the full potential of your property together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides and tips from Prowess Property.